Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on fixing the battery issue in the Conga 3690. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. For this repair, you will require a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace ready. First, we begin by removing the back cover of the Conga 3690. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the screws located at the back. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover with your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips during this process. With the back cover removed, you will see the battery compartment. It's essential to inspect the battery for any visible damage or corrosion. If you notice any corrosion on the battery terminals, use the soft cloth to clean it gently. This can sometimes resolve power issues without needing to replace the battery. Next, take your multimeter and set it to the DC voltage setting. Connect the probes to the battery terminals to check the voltage. A healthy battery should read around 14 to 16 volts. If your reading is significantly lower, it may be time to replace the battery. If you find that the battery needs replacement, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure about proceeding with the repair yourself, consider our services for a thorough check. To replace the battery, carefully disconnect the old battery by unscrewing any screws holding it in place and gently pulling the connectors off. When installing the new battery, make sure to connect the terminals securely. Rescrew any screws you removed earlier to ensure the battery is held firmly in place. Once the new battery is installed, it's time to reassemble the back cover. Align it carefully and press it down until you hear the clips snap into place. Reinsert the screws with your Phillips screwdriver to secure the back cover. Before you test the device, let's clean the internal components to prevent any dust buildup. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the internal area gently. This will help maintain the longevity of your device. Now, you can test the device by turning it on. If it powers on successfully, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your Conga 3690. If it doesn't power on, don't worry, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't have to deal with any calls or travel. For those who prefer a hassle-free option, remember we offer a quote before repair. This way, you know exactly what to expect without any hidden fees. Always prioritize safety when working on electronic devices. If you feel uncertain at any step, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. With the right tools and knowledge, you can tackle most issues yourself. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.